My dad would say to me, now don't you dare start crying. Turn it off.
Like a light switch, just go flick. It's our nifty little morning trick.
Turn it off.
Turn it off.
My sister was a dancer, but she got cancer. The doctor said she still had 2 months more. I thought she had time, so I got in line for the new iPhone at the Apple store. She lay there dying with my father and mother. Her very last words were, "Where is my brother?"
Turn it off.
Yeah!
Bid those sad feelings adieu.
The fear that I might get cancer too.
When I was in 5th grade, I had a friend, Steve Blade.